Hey, Scott. Come take a look at this. Look what I bought.
Bro.
It's a Lexus IS 250, somewhere between 2005 and like 2012, I think.
Bro, you bought it and you don't even know what year it is?
I haven't even looked at it yet. It's such a good deal. Look at it, dude.
I mean, does it run?
No, I don't know. I don't think. It looks like it got towed here. I bought it. It was heading to the scrap. I know.
Oof.
I know. You pop the hood. Let's make sure there's an engine in it.
You can take it back 30 days.
30 days.
30 days.
I don't want to make sure I didn't buy a lemon.
Ooh, look at
Wait a
that.
second.
Look at that filter. Oh,
Wait a second.
I don't know anything about it.
It's got most of the things.
It's an all-wheel drive.
What'd you pay for it?
Air intake is cold.
$500.
You got a freaking Lexus for $500.
Yeah, I mean, we got this for $500. I don't know anything about it. It could have a bad engine. They said it doesn't start,
Okay.
but I brought a jump pack and some keys.
Looks like everything's there. That's an ugly intake.
It sure is. The gauges are coming on.
It didn't start.
No.
It hasn't
It's
started
not
yet.
running. Did you try powering it off and powering it back on?
It's so cold out here. Look at the cameraman. He can't even hold the camera center.
It's literally like -2 with the wind chill.
John, you want to go get the tow rig?
The new tow rig?
Yeah, go get us the new tow rig.
I got you.
What? What is that?
Oh, look at that thing.
Is that a customer's car?
Yeah, no, I bought that too.
You bought this?
Yeah.
Oh my. Oh no. It's insane. Insane.
While they're working on the car, let me tell you what we know about it. Nothing. We know a little bit. We know that the original owner did a little bit of electrical work, couldn't get it to start, kind of gave up on the thing, needed a reliable car, sold it. We work closely with the car dealership. When they get a cool car in, they know to let us know, and they gave us a really good deal on it. So we ended up with the thing. Thank you. John and Scott are looking at fluids right now, because again, we don't know anything. We never even met the guy that had it before. So they're looking at fluids. I'm gonna get the scanner on it, see if I can get any information from the scanner. We're gonna find out if I wasted $500 or if I got a good deal. Is it bad?
No coolant, no oil. So
okay.
far.
Yeah.
No
Been
reason to
sitting.
switch, bro. All right, well, let's get some oil in it. 530
Sure.
on tap. Well, the good thing is it holds 7 quarts. And that only reads the top
3.5
quart.
quarts.
There you go.
Low.
Still got some in it.
It holds 7 quarts. The dipstick only reads the top quart.
Yeah.
So, sorry. I tried not to get you with it. Good. All right, that's 2 quarts.
Keep going.
Okay. That's probably like 2.5.
Ain't even the ballpark.
Okay.
Let's try that.
All right, that's probably 3 quarts and a half.
She could take probably another half a quart.
Okay, yeah, it had
All right.
oil in it, it's fine. All right, check it one more time.
Golden.
All right then.
That wasn't that.
How's the oil look? Clean?
Wasn't that low.
Clean. All the stuff on top
They
is.
must have just changed it.
Got some weird solder business.
Soldery. Oh, and it's broken.
Someone really goobered that guy
I
up.
didn't even get the scanner on it yet.
What to check for when you buy a $500 Lexus?
What is that?
Is it soldered?
What's it on?
Circuit board. It sparks when I touch it.
Oh, really?
Here.
Should we just get some jump leads? How big of a... Let's just jump.
Oh, everything just clicked.
Whoa, I just heard it.
Everything just went click, 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 click.
There's no way that that's the reason that car got traded in, right? That goes to alternator, I assume? Yeah, judging by the way this looks here.
Can we just resolder it?
Not for 150 amps, I don't think. I don't know, man. Just run it. Just squeeze it back together. Let's see if this thing runs. See if we get anything on the dash.
Do you want to crank it and I'll hold them together?
Yeah, try it. It'll get hot, so don't get burnt. Well, this thing's got a quarter tank of gas in it.
Dude.
Wow. Something that you're doing.
Oh, the headlights are coming off and on. When
That's
Scott's...
me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I can't push it enough to really make a good connection. What if we just, here.
Pair of vice grips.
I was gonna say
Vice
just
grips are about
a
150
flat blade
amps.
screwdriver. What if we just
yeah,
did
it's
this just to get it started?
Try that.
I just had the radio come on.
I feel like that's got to be it.
I mean, I got radio and stuff. It's not coming on though. Hey, I'm trying to scan it. Right now, no codes. No codes in terms of no communication. Oh, we got anti-lock brakes. Lost communication with ECM from the anti-lock brakes. ECM is not
I think
active.
we might have popped the fuse out here. That's my guess. Where's
ECM is not active. We have electronic power steering, four-wheel drive. All of them are saying that they lost communication to the ECM.
No worko. Got one.
Oh, we got one out there.
We got a broke one. Ah, rad number one.
Oh, that's
It's
not
just
that
a cooling fan. ETCS.
Uh-oh.
That sounds important.
ETCS, I don't know what that means, but it sounds
Electronic
important.
throttle control system. Just made that up. I don't know.
Probably.
I don't have any of those.
Blown. We need a 30 over here.
30 over there. Okay.
Yeah, I don't think something's right over there.
Okay. Instant.
Wow.
It blew that one. What about you? That one didn't instantly blow. Might as well keep checking while we're here.
ETCS might have done it.
I have some weird sideways fuses right here too.
That is horn, washer fluid, tail lights, fog lights.
Okay, no, that's important. All right, let's see if that did anything. I don't know. I still don't have communication with the ECU. I'll try it though. Nothing.
Oh, we got a blown one.
Well, what do we got?
Ah, cigarette lighter.
This one's starter. Oof. That didn't sound good. There,
That's better.
There we
We're
go.
got some oil
We're
in it.
good, we're good. I don't know, it had to be something over here.
Yeah, that's the only thing we touched. We have communication.
No idea. Not a clue.
Started jiggling this harness right here.
I started messing with some harnesses.
That's like the only difference of everything we've done. Wiggling that harness.
We need a glass of water. I mean, that's Lexus. Dude, feel that.
It sounds so good,
It
dude.
sounds so good. Look at that.
What is going on?
Look at that. We filmed till 8. Nice.
Did you try turning it off or turning it on again?
No, 100% we're not doing that. It runs forever.
Yeah.
Never shut it off.
All right, let's check some things out before we do that. Make sure we have drive.
There it is.
We have reverse.
Oh yeah. And a backup camera.
Does it work?
Yeah.
Sick.
It's actually
Doesn't even look
nice.
bad, actually.
No.
Looks good.
That's cool. All right, so far it looks like it was a good buy for 500 bucks. I'm still nervous about it. I want to drive it, but we can't shut the hood because we have a hot set of vice grips hanging up like 6 inches past the hood.
Okay, so what if we made a good connection, button everything back up?
I'm nervous that it won't run again. I think for the sake of the people watching, we rip the hood and do some snow donies while it's still running.
True Devin fashion. My man.
All right.
Hood.
Hood.
He's gonna beat it.
Oh yeah.
Right out of the gate.
It might not have it. It's got too much grip. What's that big red arrow flashing?
Oil maintenance required, hood open. I mean,
This thing is sick, dude. It's a Lexus with 185,000 on it.
it's tight too. It doesn't feel clunky. Oh, you know what we do have though? Sport mode.
What a good sounding engine.
It is. It doesn't even care, dude.
Dude, it is slower than the Grand Am.
Oh, I'm not on it.
Oh, it smells bad.
Yeah, it smells like a cat. Kind of runs like a cat too.
It needs gutted.
Woo.
Bro. That is ridiculous.
Well, there you go. We have a $500 Lexus that only needed a pair of vice grips. Had a blown fuse. It's the alternator fuse. After that, we chased around a communication issue with the ECU for a while. But, I mean, all of a sudden it was gone. We've started it and shut it off like 10 times. Sure, it might leave us stranded somewhere, but what do you want out of a $500 car? So, if you have a car that's cool and you would like to sell it for $500, hit us up. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.